Welcome! Today we're going to learn how to assemble the Big Kahuna. We have three pieces: the insert, the bag, and the body. Let's get started. First, pop it open and fold these handles in. Next, close the top flap and lock it in place. Now we have our top ready to go. Alright, we have our dispenser valve and our fill cap. First thing first, take the aluminum off the dispenser valve. Then, untwist it. Take the fill cap off and pull the bag apart. Put the fill cap on and twist the dispenser valve shut. Now let's insert it. You want to make sure that the cap is on the same side as this hole and that the dispenser valve is on the same side as this one. To insert, grab the base of the cap and push it through the top hole. Make sure you slide it into place. Next, put the dispenser valve through the hole all the way. Make sure the valve is pointed downwards. Now we're going to assemble the insert. Make sure you fold it across the score lines first. This will make it much easier to assemble. To start, stand it up on its legs and press downwards. Squeeze this fold inwards to make sure it sets into place. This is what your insert should look like. Now let's put it in. Make sure that you align the side with the small flap up with the exact side as the dispenser valve. Then push in all the way. To close the box, put the two side flaps inwards. Then lock the bottom flap in. Finish by locking the largest flap in. This is a Big Kahuna. Thank you for watching.